I am stressed out.
Because when you...
Babe, it's happening. Say goodbye to my childhood room. It is officially moving day.
شو انت وين رايحة على هونولولو؟
I have a very exciting announcement. I am moving for the first time ever. After 26 years of living with my family, I am finally moving out. My sister is coming with me, so I won't completely be alone, which is nice. But I am really excited, nervous, but mostly excited. I've been in Vegas for 14 years now, and it's time for a change. I've literally been trying to move for the past year now. We've went apartment hunting 4 different times in the last year, and every time we say we're gonna sign the lease, something pops up. First it was COVID, then it was not finding the right apartment, then it was travel plans, but we finally found the right apartment for us and we signed our lease last week. I look like shit, don't mind it, but
Can't relate.
I think we found the one.
After a year
of looking, we have found the one, and we are literally about to apply and get it going. We're signing it. It's happening. It's official. The move-in date is happening much sooner than expected. We were talking about December, but we're literally gonna move in like 2 weeks. I know it might be weird that you see us this excited, but like,
no,
I'm 28 years old, never moved out.
That's exciting. And you guys are moving to the most like interesting city in the world. Like,
You know, it's hard finding a nice area in here. You know, safe, everything, and I think we really found the one.
I've been to others and it's just not the same.
Right.
Like you got the greenery, the trees.
Yeah, I really feel like this was meant for me because
for us.
well,
It's funny because she didn't want to come here end of October because we have to come back in a week for a wedding.
Yeah.
So she's like, why are we coming twice? I'm like, let's just finalize the apartment and then come back and sign the lease. And then, you know, it probably wouldn't have been available in 2 weeks.
yeah, it probably would have gone.
Yeah.
The only thing is I wasn't planning on moving till January, and our lease starts this month. So I literally have to pack all my stuff, get my life together, and move in exactly 1 week from today. So I'm freaking out a little bit. I'm not gonna tell you guys where I'm moving just yet, and I will be filming an empty apartment tour pretty soon. But yeah, it's a big change. I've always wanted to experience living on my own before marriage. Obviously, with me being Arab, it's very normal for us to just live with our family until marriage. But I just think there's so much I still need to learn when it comes to being independent and just life in general. And that's not really gonna happen if I stay living with my family and I'm being babied all the time. As much as I love my family, obviously, and I'm still gonna be coming here every month to visit them, there's just certain things that I need to learn on my own. So I'm happy that this manifestation is finally becoming a reality. I'm gonna start with my main issue, which is my clothes. You guys know I'm a closet hoarder, and I absolutely cannot and will not bring my entire closet with me because obviously I have a lot more room in this house versus the apartment that I'm gonna be living in. I'll still have a walk-in closet, but it's not gonna be as big as this one, and I also can't bring my IKEA wardrobe with me either. So this will be a good way for me to practice my minimalism and attempt being more of a minimalist. Also, let me just say I am so excited to have my own space and be in a modern space and not have to worry about these bright pink walls anymore. When I was a kid and I first moved here, I was actually so excited about these pink walls because pink is my favorite color. But then when I started shooting content, as I got older, I realized it's not the most aesthetically, it's not the most aesthetically pleasing background. There's just so much more content I can shoot in my new apartment and in the new city that I'm moving in, so I cannot wait. So yeah, say goodbye to the pink walls. Good morning, guys. I am stressed out. I really haven't done any packing the past few days. I'm now 3 days away from the move with pretty much nothing done. All I've done so far is pick out like half my closet. I still have the other half of my closet to go through. I had a commercial and then a photo shoot and then it was Halloween, but it's okay. Today's the day, y'all. Today's the day. I was on my way to go to Home Depot to grab boxes, but my dad told me he has a bunch of boxes in his salon, so I'm headed over there. And then I have a couple errands to run. And then after that, I'm gonna tackle all my clothes. I feel like that's the hardest part, just packing all my clothes. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna try my best to pack all my shoes, accessories, purses, all that stuff by tonight as well. That way tomorrow I can just bubble wrap all the furniture I'm planning on getting, run more errands, my makeup, last minute things like that. And then Mystery Bay is actually flying down here after tomorrow to help with the move because he is amazing, and he's gonna drive the U-Haul truck back to our new apartment with all our stuff in it. But yeah, I really need to get going. My sister actually started packing like 4 days ago, so she is feeling really good right now, but I'm stressed out. So I'll do a quick time lapse of today's packing festivities. Let's go. Good, how are you?
Good, good. What are you drinking today?
Can I please do a large iced skinny caramelizer?
Yeah. Anything else?
That's all. Thank you so much.
Have a great one.
You too. Thank you. You too. Let me just show you the time. Let me just show you what time it is right now. It is almost 4 a.m. I am not okay. I am not okay. Anyways, the most tedious part is over, thank goodness. I know it seems like I just threw my entire closet on my bed, but I promise you I didn't. I'll show you how I categorized everything and what I have left. Here's what we have. Dresses and rompers, jackets and coats, bottoms, tops, PJs and loungewear, and then these are things that I'm just gonna wear for the next couple days, so 2 extra outfits and PJs. But look at everything I'm leaving behind, you guys. That's a lot of stuff. You can't tell me this is not a lot of stuff. I mean, I am gonna be visiting pretty much every month, so I might take a couple things with me as the seasons change. I'm also leaving some of these behind. These two are empty, but I'm leaving all these PJ shirts behind. Leaving some of these sweaters behind as well. And I'm leaving a good amount of pants behind as well. This took way longer than it should have. I was editing a video in between, so that took a few hours. I'm tired. So I'm gonna put all of these in separate bags and then tackle everything else tomorrow. A good night. Oh. Oh dear God. By the way, if you're wondering what in the world is going on with my hanging bed frame, well, I thought I had a queen size bed frame, but I actually had a full and the mattress is a queen. But it's okay, we're gonna fix that when we move. I'm just gonna get a brand new bed frame. This feels like my closet decluttering video all over again. You can be me when you look this clean. I'm a classic man. Calling on me like a young Moji. I'm a classic man. Oh, I forgot I was recording. You say you love me, I say you crazy. We're nothing more than friends. My camera's about to die. Bloop. Good morning. Let's get to work. So I always use the rolling method when I fold my clothes, and I'm gonna do the same thing when I'm packing because it reduces wrinkles and it conserves space. Bottoms, dresses, and rompers. I feel like my folding is getting lazier and lazier, but whatever. I have a lot of tops, so I'm gonna have to put this in 2 different boxes. We're just not gonna talk about how much sleep I have not gotten the past couple days, but I am heading out to pick up Mystery Bay from the airport. He just flew in so he can help me with the move, and honestly, thank goodness, because I definitely need a helping hand. I got all my clothes and shoes and the main stuff like that done, but now I have a bunch of just like annoying little things to pack, as well as some of the furniture I'm planning on getting, and I have some errands to run. But doing tedious tasks like that with Mystery Bay makes it a lot more fun. I love how last night when we were on the phone, I was like, I want to get somewhat ready tomorrow. I want to do my hair and put some makeup on. Girl, bye, you and your 1 hour of sleep looking ass. I'm just putting some moisturizer on and calling it a day. Let's go. He's here. You know, I haven't been eating the past 2 days. Like, not purposely, I've just been so stressed out. Words are hard.
Because when you...
Babe.
Ooh.
Oh, babe! You're trying to kill us or what? He had me pull over because I was taking wrong turns and stuff. He's like, get out, I'm driving.
No, when you drive, you go in U-turns. It's like...
Because I literally, like, I'm very slow right now because I haven't slept. I already suck at directions. Anyways, we're gonna run some errands.
Tell him about the whole prim...
No, I'm not telling them about that. We just got the truck. Yay! All right, guys, it is 6:30 p.m. We are pretty much done. I have everything packed. We just need to bring all the stuff downstairs. Today was honestly not tedious at all because Mystery Bay was here helping with everything, and it's just more fun when you have someone with you. It was already breaking, it's okay. If you're packing for a move and it's just very tedious, I suggest having your partner or even your best friend with you because it makes it a lot more fun and time goes by super quick. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring everything downstairs and load it onto the truck. That way tomorrow morning we are ready to go. All right, guys, we are pretty much done loading everything onto the truck. My sister still has a few boxes she needs to load in. Other than that, we are good until tomorrow. We're planning on leaving at like 7 a.m. Mystery Bay literally loaded everything in like less than an hour. I don't know how he did it, but he did it, and he's been such a great help. I probably would not have slept or been done on time if it wasn't for him. Yay! It's happening. Say goodbye to my childhood room. Ah! Look at how empty it is now. No more of these pink walls. Are you gonna miss me?
Yes, of course. شو انت وين رايحة على هونولولو؟
No, but I'm literally seeing him in like 2-3 weeks. Good morning, guys. It is officially moving day. It hasn't hit me that we're moving yet just because I've been like so stressed out trying to pack my life together in 2.5 days. But honestly, if it wasn't for Mystery Bay, we would have left way later and I would have been way more stressed out. We have a 4.5-hour drive ahead of us, and these seats are very uncomfortable, by the way. You can't even like move them back. So I'm just sitting like this. But yeah, other than that, I'm excited. I'm gonna take you guys along with me for the entire moving journey, so stay tuned for a lot more of my moving vlogs, from an empty apartment tour to getting settled in to a furnished apartment tour. I'm so excited, and I will be announcing where I'm moving to in my next vlog. I'll be filming an empty apartment tour pretty soon. But yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!